Backyard thing, Saturday the 7th, July 23rd. The worst for Marina is gonna be crazy, crazy, crazy.
TV. You hear me now? The 23rd, no good again. Backyard TV Boatride, shell down.
23rd of July.
And no good shell down, don't worry. Backyard TV. Dread, the whole of we shut down. We are shut it down. We shut it down. Backyard TV Boatride, we are shut it down. And big up Genius. 23rd of July. Big up Contractor and big up. The 27th. Backyard TV will be also at Chippy Cookout, Big and Broad, same 27th of August. Big up. You know, Dread, follow my brother for life. In Ghana Road. 28th, same thing, 25th.
If you ever see a girl in a setup, looking like a rebel in a shorts and slippers, still you would have right and doesn't look like that. Girl body act like she could have right.
Don't forget, Backyard TV's Boatride. Lots of hugs and mwah, kisses. That is July 23rd. That is presented by Backyard TV and MaddRush Radio. Make sure so you come out and come show your support.
Just rock the boat. Just rock the boat. Don't tip the boat over. Rock the boat. Don't rock the boat. Rock the boat.
I love the music, and I made up. I love the vibes. And big up Backyard TV to the fullest.
What a special night. What a night.
Sammy Trouble and Backyard TV in the house. Alright, you hear that, girl? Big up yourself. Thank you. A family affair. Family affair. Alright, I hear that's a family thing. Alright. Enough niceness, enough love, enough party and drinking.
You better believe that. Like TC said, it's our second national anthem. But right now, let me play the national.
Big up Backyard TV, Father Herman, you're nice. You're nice, you think, sell off. Respect to all the people. Them. Yo, massive love, everything sell off. Great.
We're having fun. It's great. I say, you know, Backyard TV is having a Boatride here. Yes, Backyard TV. Make sure you guys come out and support. Okay, yes. We'll give you our support. I have no idea who that is. We'll give you our support. You have our support. Definitely. Come out and come and support Backyard TV Boatride July 23rd. Okay, we will be there. Yes, thank you. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Backyard TV rule. What up?
All right, I hear that.
Bunch of boom boom.
Don't be afraid, this is Backyard TV. The people MC.
Yes. Hi. Friend them, you don't know.
Yeah. The boat ride sell off. Yeah. Everything starts on. When you go out, so we're not chuck off. Yeah, we're not chuck off.
Yeah, I tell you, ladies.
I love the way you dance the soca. And you ain't nothing but a teaser.
Boatride, sell off.
All right, what do you love? All right, check out Father Herman and make
understand? Year to year, man, the shatter. Father Herman. And them man make the thing nice, you understand? You understand? And we make the thing nice, you understand? We do this every year, we not stop doing it. And we is the backyard. Do it.
Something for beautiful ladies. Well, if you look by your calendar.
Enough like this, enough like this. No, big up Backyard TV every time. Oh God, man, that come every year. You understand? Every year.
Alright. So we have
I don't know DJ where represent for Backyard TV. Big up Backyard TV every time. Backyard TV, big up yourself.
Big up Backyard TV. Everything are good. Our vice fine, she sounds so innocent. Big up Backyard TV.
Big up. It's all about peace and love. Enjoyment.
The big Backyard TV thing. Backyard TV Boatride. July 23rd. Lots of hugs and kisses. So come on, come support the Backyard TV party.
Backyard TV, big up yourself.
Big up Backyard TV. Big up yourself. You can see yourself on channel 68 every time. All the time. And you know what? Want to tell about Backyard TV. We are going to shut it down. We are going to shut it down. TV. You hear me now? The 23rd, no good again. Backyard TV Boatride. Shell down.
23rd of July.
And let's shut it down. Don't worry. Backyard TV. Dread, the whole of shut down. We are shut it down. We shut it down. Backyard TV Boatride. We are shut it down. Monday. Big up Genius. 23rd of July. Big up Contractor and big up. The 27th, Backyard TV will be also at Chippy Cookout, Big and Brad, same 27th of August. Big up, you know, Dread Father, my brother for life. In Ghana Road. 28th, same thing. 25th, a same thing.
They can carry me on a guest list. We need it.
Thank you for inviting me, Herman. I had a great time, baby.
I don't get to the king of
Herman, my dog does make a night. I can't say nothing much on our brethren. See?